Welcome back to Hadi Tutor. I hope you guys doing well. If you're looking for a reliable VPN to enhance your inner online privacy and unlock streaming content worldwide, Surfshark VPN might just be the perfect choice for you. In this video, we will review Surfshark VPN feature and pricing and performance to help you decide if it's worth your time and money. So stick around for our full breakdown. So let's go back, and here we are on Surfshark page, but let me show you something in a nutshell. In short, I'm going to reveal some features, pricing, etc., and then I will get you back to the dashboard. I will show you how dashboard look like and what are some features of managing devices, alerts, monitoring emails, scanning card, and some other features. But let me show you something in short. Let me explain Surfshark VPN in short. So here we are I have just created this short feature list of Surfshark. So let me explain the Surfshark features, and then we will explore dashboard, and then the pricing section and some other features, and also the browser extension. Also the browser extension and several locations, including static IP. So let me explain the Surfshark VPN. The Surfshark VPN, actually the VPN market is crowded, but Surfshark VPN stand out with its exceptional balance of price, performance, and features. So Surfshark VPN offers robust features, feature set, high security, excellent streaming support, and affordable pricing. That makes it an excellent choice for users who prioritize privacy, performance, and value. So I have selected these general features like you can connect unlimited devices. Also, you can have multi-platform support like Windows, Mac OS, and Android, iOS, Linux, routers, smart TVs, gaming app consoles, PlayStation's, Xbox, and browser extension as well. So non-log policy, no log policy. What does it mean? No log policy mean it does not require the Surfshark VPN does not record your actual history, your log history in their server. So it makes sure that user privacy should be in strong, hidden in strong way. So the next feature is VPN-friendly jurisdiction. So located in the Netherlands with no data retention laws. Privacy, if we talk about privacy and security, so these are some key features. Encryption, protocols, kill switch. Well, that one is my favorite one, kill switch. It actually prevents data leaks when the VPN connection drops or shutdown like or something you can say drops with soft and strict modes. Protocols is another feature. Encryption is another feature, but this one, kill switch, is my favorite one. So IP rotator is another feature, but it's not my favorite. But it means that this feature allows to automatically change IP addresses every 5 to 10 minutes without disconnecting. And the fifth one option is bypass. It's not my favorite one, but this is a feature, bypass split tunneling, including specific apps or websites from using the VPN. It means that if you want a specific website to be open without connecting to VPN, so you can bypass those websites or apps. And that's one also my favorite option, which is alternative ID. It means that if you don't want to use your personal email online somewhere on website or form filling something, you can use this option, alternative ID. And here we have this option, alternative ID. And also the RAM-only services. It's another feature of related to privacy and security that are wiped upon server reboot for additional reboot reboot for additional security. And if we talk about performance, so these are 4 points which I have noticed I mentioned here. The high speed, optimized for streaming, gaming, and torrenting, and offering consistent speed. P2P support automatically connects to P2P friendly servers for torrenting, also global coverage. Over like 3,200 servers in 100 countries. That's a huge number. And also the fourth one is unblocking streaming services. So if you are in a location, in a country where these services or other platform or websites are blocked, so you can access platforms like Netflix, Hulu, or BBC, iPlayer, Amazon Prime, and more. And these are some additional features, and they are my favorite one. So Clean Web, dedicated IP and Nexus technology. Clean Web actually means that you can block ads, trackers, malwares, and phishing attempts at the server levels. And also, you can grab your dedicated IP with additional add-on service. The Nexus technology is a software-defined networking with feature like dynamic, multi-hop, and IP rotator. And if we talk about user-face and interface and usability, so these are some 4 points I have mentioned here. So user-friendly interface and quick connect button and auto connect option is also available, and customizable dashboard. You can customize dashboard as per your requirement. So, but these are also my favorite one because really, I feel really user-friendly dashboard when I'm using Surfshark VPN. So that's the important point if we talk about the pricing and other option. The price is so flexible, starting from $1.99 per month at the moment, but it might change in later on in for 1 month or 3 months or later in future it might change, but at the moment it is $1.99 per month. So the 30 days money back guarantee you can get. You also, when you purchase your VPN, you get 30 days money back guarantee, which is risk-free trial period. And the payment option, if we talk about the payment option, what payment option we have at the time of purchasing. So we have credit cards and PayPal's, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, and also cryptocurrencies. So support and accessibility are like 24/7 support, customer support, and also including active live chat support for instant response and multi-language apps. It means that you can have this option, use this option app in multiple languages that suits your requirement. Also, the easy to set up option is also very attractive point, because sometimes when you buy a software or something online, the setup might be difficult for you to install and doing things and so on. But in this case, the Surfshark setup is so simple installation process across all platforms, desktop, browser, in Android or iOS. So now let's explore the dashboard. The first we have in account overview. That's not my for you, I think. So in download apps, we have a lot of option to download for Windows, and you can get the app by scanning this QR code, and also you can add Chrome extension to your browsers. And these are some other setups. If you want to know the setup guides, you can get it from here. But let me go back. It's not very. If you buy it, you can get it from here. So that's the good option, manage devices. So as I have already mentioned, that you can connect with unlimited devices across all platforms. As you can see, I have already connected to these devices in my case. Chrome extension, Android phones, and so on. Now let's talk about these features. So here we have a manual connection, manual setup guide. Under this VPN menu section, we have a manual setup guide, and also we have quick setup guide. If you are familiar with this desktop, email, or mobile and browser extension, you can go with this option. Or if you want to set up manual setup, so you can go with this option. And also in this option, we have dedicated IP. So as I have already mentioned before, you can go with this option, dedicated IP. And also, so that's very interesting options. Alternative ID. It means that we can use this alternative ID if we don't want to use our personal emails, location, data, address, and etc. So we can use this option. Like as you can see, you can also generate these option as well. So I already have this option. So you can also try this option in your subscription. So I already have this option, alternative email. So here are my details. And the next option is alert. So we have 4 options here. Monitor emails. It means that we can, if you want to monitor your email, let me click here. It means that if you want your email, to know that if where your email is being used on which platform, or it's like belongs to data breach. This option belongs to data breach, okay? So you can monitor for leaks and breaches when you add your email. So you can also scan your credit cards, either it's being used online somewhere or not. So you can also scan your IDs as well. And here in this section, we have some settings, so I'm not going to explore the settings. And the next option is antivirus. And I think we already have discussed these options. And the next option is search, which is, I think, in my personal opinion, I didn't see this option in other VPNs providers. So this is like a Surfshark VPN personal search engine, which is a very good option in my personal opinion. I didn't see this option in other VPN providers. So you can personally search anything on this search engine without seeing ads and being tracked and cookies tracking you and so on. So this is kind of their personal search engine. Let's say if I'm going to type Trump next move. Also, you can change the location. So incognito. This is also a very important feature, but you can go with the paid option. You can add this option in your plan. So it means that you can protect your personal data with incognito person, protect your personal information, fight identity theft, and also stop your data being sold. So these are from dashboard, and now let's move to the browser extension. In browser extension, the same features, VPN connections and alternative ID, alert and antivirus and search and clean web also in browser extension settings. So if we talk about the locations, we have 3,500 location included, like 1, 2, 3 and sub locations. Like if we go to Australia, and we have Melbourne, Brisbane, and Sydney, and so on. So including sub locations, the Surfshark provide 3,200 locations. And also the best part is we can go with static IPs. It means that this IP belongs to you and will be static to your devices, no matter whatever it is, like browser extension, phone, and like I'm using this on my personal phone. So we have a lot of the static IPs. If you're not, if you don't want to go with this, and you can search your country like Germany. Let's say in study section we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 7 static location. And if you want a static location from, let's say, United Kingdom, so in United Kingdom we have also 4 to 5 static location and so on. File type United States. In static IP section, we have like 5 static IPs section. So these are from browser extension. And similarly, we have Android app. So similarly, we have a Surfshark app in Android. So we can do some settings and Android app settings like auto connect, clean web, kill switch. As you can see, I've already told you before that this one is my favorite features. And similarly, alternative ID and VPN settings. And also we have advanced settings like override ZP location. This one is my favorite too. No borders. This feature support internet access and connectivity around the world. Use small pockets and so on. So that's it for today's video. And if you guys have any question related to this video tutorials, please let me know in comment section below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel and make sure to click the bell icon so that you can get notification for all my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.